Hey, baby. What's going on? Oh, what a good girl. So, oh, is that right? Is that right? So here's a project I've been working on this week. It's a new upper. And these are junkyard finds, actually. The Radian Model 1, but they were just blems. So they ended up in a scrapyard somewhere. I'm not sure where. I had the barrel already, and I had this little quad rail free floaty thingy. There was a few things I had to buy. I had to buy the gas block and the tube and an upper parts kit. I had to buy the little gizmo here. It's a little different than normal uppers. They have a little C-ring that goes on and hold them in. These uppers are different. There's you can see they're a little different profile than normal. They kind of fan out, which matches up with their forearms, the hand guards. So I put this on there just to make sure nobody would put anything else but 5.56 in it. And this is the one thing I don't like about these uppers is that they're actually drill. There's a threaded hole in there to put the forward assist in, but I just jammed a pin in there. It's fine, but it only goes from the bottom. So once it's in, it's in, or whatever. And so that's pretty much it. I had a bolt carrier group and a charging handle from one of my other guns that I just threw in here for now. This is just a little 2.5. Oh yeah, and I forgot I had to buy this and some crush washers. And this is a fire-breathing thing. It's funny. But this is an old barrel that I've had laying around for a while. It's a 223 Wild 1/8 twist stainless. Let's see here. That's about it. So I just put it on my pistol lower that I already had here. So it's right here. Let's see here. Sorry about that. Get it. So anyway, there we go. So it mates up pretty well. No issues with it. I have put 10 rounds through it just for a function test. Here's another 10 rounds of 55 grain, 193, just your run-of-the-mill crapo ammo. Let's see here if I can get this thing over here. Something like that-ish. Alright, well, let's try that. Alright. 10 rounds. Small little mag. Alright, let's test this real quick. See the flame coming out of there, but okay, I got 3 more rounds, 4 more rounds. Locks back, fine. Alright, there you go. Seems like it works okay.